Hello everyone, I just got my order from TikTok and let me show you what is this. Let's open it. It's always, appearing in my FYP and nabudol ako. Nabudol ako neto, guys. It's good. Yan, this product, Nougat Crisp. Ano ninyo yung screenshot. Tada guys, kag-order. Nougat. So, tawag crisp. At mo pala sa TikTok o Shopee, kay barato ra. May uban na gani free shipping. Cookies and cream, sa chocolate. Let's taste it. Screenshot nyo lang. Let's open it. And taste it. So bango. Wow. Ayan, naka-individual packaging siya. Individual pack. Let's taste it. Let's open it. Let's taste it. Let's open it. Ganyan siya, oh. Cheers. Seven out of 10. Hindi ko masyadong bet. Ganiha, kanto, chocolate kani, cookies and cream. 7 out of 10. Kunahan. Muna siya forma. Seven out of 10 gapon. Hindi masyadong bet. Kamis, ang kamis. If you want to buy, ato sa TikTok or Shopee palit, kabarato ra dito, ni uban free shipping gani. Pag 88 ka ni, kaning duha. So, bar tag 44 each niya. 20 pieces, mas siguro so daning isa ani. Barato. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Parang 7 to 8.7 or 8 out of 10. Ang rate. Bye-bye everyone.